Good evening, my dear students. Now, just we discussed today about the Lancashire boiler. Already I have given you the PPT. You read what are the advantages of water tube boilers over the fire tube boilers and difference between water tube boiler and fire tube boiler. Now, this is the last video for boiler. Now in this video we are going to discuss boiler mountings and accessories. For satisfactorily functioning, efficient working, easy maintenance and the safety of the boilers, the boiler is equipped with some fittings and appliances. So here we consider the two categories. In the first category, generally we say these are the fittings called as boiler mountings. So one by one we are going to discuss the boiler mountings. Water level indicator. If you see the diagram of Babcock and Wilcox boiler and Lancashire boiler, you will find water level indicator. What is the function of the water level indicator? It indicates or to indicate the level of the water in the boiler drum. This is the function of the water level indicator. See, if you go through the question papers, the question may be asked, explain the boiler mountings and accessories. So minimum you have to explain 5 boiler mountings and 5 accessories. So first we discuss the water level indicator, first mounting, second pressure gauge. What is the function of the pressure gauge? See, when the steam is produced inside the boiler drum, to measure the pressure of that steam, pressure gauge is provided. Third one, safety valves. A boiler is designed to produce a steam at a certain rated pressure. I told you that is the design pressure. However, the working pressure will be less than the design pressure, or the working pressure may be more than the design pressure. So safety valves are provided, and these safety valves helps to measure the actual pressure of the steam which is produced inside the boiler. So there are two types of the safety valves. One is deadweight safety valve and lever safety valve. This is the third mounting. Fourth mounting, steam stop valve. It is used to regulate the flow of the steam from the boiler. This is the function of the steam stop valve. Fifth one, feed check valve. When the water level inside the boiler falls, it brought back to the specified level by supplying the additional water called as feed water. So what is the function of the feed check valve? See, initially we enter the water inside the boiler drum, but when that water gets converted into steam, automatically level of the water inside the drum will be reduced. So again we have to add the water inside the boiler. So for that purpose feed check valve is used. So different valves are also used, that is blow off valve, then fusible plug, then accessories. We are going to discuss the boiler accessories. First one is economizer. It is a device used to heat the feed water that enters the water drum. What is the function of the economizer? It is a device which is used to heat the feed water that enters the water drum by extracting the heat from the gases that are passing out of the chimney. See, at last the flue gases enters the chimney and then that hot gases are escaped to the atmosphere. So during that flow, the hot gases that before escaping into the atmosphere the heat from that hot gases is utilized to heat the water, that is economizer. Then air preheater, the function of the air preheater is to extract the heat from the gases that are passing out of the chimney. Then superheater, I told you what is the function of the superheater. See, initially the steam which is produced is a wet steam. That means that steam contains some water particles plus steam. So that steam is not used directly for the final purpose, for the boiler or for the turbine purpose. So again that wet steam should be heated to certain temperature, and that steam is heated in a particular chamber, that is a combustion chamber, and U tubes are provided for that, so that the wet steam is converted into superheated steam. Then feed pump, it is used to pump the water at high pressure into the boiler drum. It is the function of the feed pump. So thank you guys, these are a few boiler mountings and accessories. So I request all you just see this video, you see all the videos, and this completes our boiler bit. So tomorrow I will give you the questions on boiler drum. Thank you.